Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Live Photo app and granting camera and microphone permissions, so motion and sound record. Tap the duration control and pick 3 seconds or 5 seconds, or enter a custom 0. 5 to 10 second clip. This decides file size and motion detail. Once done, compose with the grid and enable stabilization to reduce blur. You want a steady base shot because the app captures multiple frames per second, and the first moments define the final motion clip. You tap record and capture the action. Make short controlled movements if you're panning because Live Photo stitches frames into a smooth motion sequence. Once recorded, open the clip to trim unwanted frames and select the key photo, the still that displays in galleries, so you control the frozen look. Then make exposure and color tweaks to the entire clip and experiment with effects like loop, bounce, or long exposure to emphasize movement. These alter playback behavior and creative feel, so try each briefly. You finalize by choosing an export format: GIF for universal silent loops, video to keep sound, or the native Live Photo file for iOS continuity. When sharing, make sure your cloud or messaging settings preserve motion and audio, otherwise recipients may only see a still. If export or playback fails, restart the app, confirm camera and storage permissions, and free space if needed. These quick fixes address most issues so you can retry exporting without losing captured motion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.